In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of making money with AI. Yep, that's right. We're talking about artificial intelligence, the tech wizardry that lets machines do all sorts of brainy things humans do, minus all the hard work and sweat. These ways are just gateways to show you how you can leverage AI to make money. But here is the disclaimer. AI can only assist you in using your time and energy wisely. It's entirely up to you how you use AI strategically to work in your favor. The ways that I am about to reveal are only to open your mind to the infinite potential AI has to offer. Now, why should you care? Well, because AI is like your secret weapon to conquer different realms. Whether you want to create, build, invest, teach, or just kick butt and compete in various domains. Plus, you can also make some sweet cash along the way. All right, let's cut to the chase and jump into the first awesome way to rake in the money by selling art created with the help of AI tools. You can be the mastermind behind a plethora of artistic wonders, paintings, drawings, graphics, you name it, all thanks to the magic of AI. And here's the best part. You don't need an ounce of artistic talent. All you need is a trusty AI software buddy that can whip up these visual masterpieces based on your preferences and inputs. Now let me introduce you to some cool AI tools that will make you feel like an art maestro. We've got playground.ai, imagine.art, and the ever-impressive Adobe Firefly. These aren't just tools. They're gateways to a realm where you can create and explore images using the sheer brilliance of AI. Now here comes the fun part. Once you have designed a certain artwork, download it and turn them into real money. How, you ask? Easy peasy. Use platforms like Printify to whip up a mock-up design and voila! You're ready to sell your AI-crafted marvels online. Etsy, eBay, Shopify, take your pick because the world is about to discover your digital artistry. The next best way to make money using AI is by designing websites. Now let's be real. Designing a website can be a real headache. It's time-consuming, it can burn a hole in your pocket, and don't even get me started on the complexity if you're not a tech wizard. But guess what? AI swoops in like a superhero to save the day. Imagine having a website that not only looks like $1 million, but also functions like a dream and is SEO optimized, all tailored to your tastes and preferences. Yep, that's the magic of AI in web design. Now, if you're thinking, how do I get in on this web design money train? I've got the scoop for you. Meet Durable and 10Web. These AI champs are your go-to tools for crafting websites that are not just visually stunning, but also come pre-packed with SEO goodness and AI-generated content, tailored to your niche. Once you've worked your AI magic, it's time to turn these digital wonders into cold, hard cash. You can sell them online as ready-made solutions or offer custom-made websites for those clients who crave a bit more personalization. The possibilities? Oh, they're practically endless. And because I'm feeling generous, I've stashed some special discount links in the description box below to kickstart your journey. Go ahead, click away, and let the website selling adventure begin. Now get ready because this next one is a surprise, as it's all about crafting your very own AI chatbots. Now picture this. Chatbots aren't just futuristic tech jargon. These digital wonders can be your golden ticket to making money across various domains. Think customer service, marketing, education, entertainment, and beyond. They're like your all-in-one solution to saving time, money, and resources while boosting customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention. Yep, they're that good. Now, here's the inside scoop for you. Meet my top picks for your AI chatbot journey, Tidio and Botsonic. These guys are not just versatile. They're so user-friendly, you'll be crafting chatbots like a pro in no time. So, how do you turn your chatbot skills into cold, hard cash? Simple. Create your own chatbots and offer the services to various clients across the globe. You can even whip up custom chatbots for your clients, offering them a taste of that personal touch. Ready to ride the chatbot money train? Go ahead and explore Tidio and Botsonic to kickstart your AI chatbot empire. Your wallet will thank you later. Let's talk about another game changer for making bucks with AI. And this time, it's all about crafting blogs without breaking a sweat. Now I get it. Writing blogs can be a bit of a grind. It's time-consuming. It can feel like climbing a linguistic mountain, and who has the energy for that, right? But hold on to your hats because tools like Writesonic and ChatGPT are here to turn your blogging woes into a walk in the park. Now, the best part? Once you've got your blogs ready to roll, it's time to turn them into cold, hard cash. Monetize them directly, or use them as powerful tools to promote your products, services, or even your personal brand. It's like turning words into gold, and who wouldn't want that? Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the fifth AI-driven money-making, which is offering top-notch SEO services. Now, let's be real. SEO can feel like navigating a maze in the dark. It's complex, competitive, and it's always doing the cha-cha with constant changes. But fear not, because AI is here to be your SEO superhero. Enter tools like Surfer SEO and Ink, your trusty sidekicks in the world of creating and optimizing content, conquering SERP, and more. These tools not only make SEO a breeze, but also turn you into an SEO maestro, even if you're not a tech wizard. Use these AI tools to generate SEO reports and recommendations for your clients. And here's the kicker. You charge them for your stellar services. Like I said, these are just a few of the infinite ways you can leverage AI to make easy money. If this video rocked your financial boat, or at least tickled your funny bone, give it a thumbs up and show that like button some love. And hey, sharing is caring, right? Send it to someone who can benefit from this video. They'll thank you later, trust me. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon like it owes you money. Bye for now.